Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll be doing a quick review of Fofana, but before we start, there's a link in the description where you can grab special discounts, coupon codes, and even Fofana deals for 2026. Without further ado, let's begin. Fofana is a brand that offers outdoor and lifestyle products, with one of its most popular offerings being the Fofana truck tent. The company focuses on creating practical solutions for camping, road trips, tailgating, and outdoor adventures while keeping products easy to use and reasonably priced. The Fofana truck tent is marketed as the next generation of truck bed tents. Its standout feature is the large Fofana pod design, which is built to provide comfort and protection in different weather conditions. Unlike many traditional truck bed tents that are mainly designed for sleeping, the Fofana pod offers significantly more usable space. According to the company, it is the largest pod in its category and can easily fit 2 chairs or even a 4-person bench, making it useful for relaxing, socializing, or taking shelter during outdoor activities. One of Fofana's biggest strengths is its focus on convenience and practicality. The truck tent allows users to turn their pickup truck into a mobile camping setup without the cost of a camper or RV. Being elevated off the ground can also provide a more comfortable camping experience compared to traditional tents. Product quality is generally good for the price, though it may not always match premium outdoor brands that cost significantly more. The spacious design, weather protection, and versatility are the main reasons people consider the Fofana truck tent. It is particularly appealing for truck owners who enjoy camping, fishing trips, outdoor events, and weekend adventures. Overall, Fofana offers good value for people looking for practical outdoor products. The Fofana truck tent stands out because of its large interior space, truck-mounted convenience, and ability to provide a comfortable sheltered area for both camping and relaxing outdoors. For frequent outdoor enthusiasts, it can be a worthwhile investment. If you're looking for discounts, Fofana frequently offers seasonal sales, bundle deals, first-time customer promotions, and limited-time coupon codes through its official website. Checking for active offers before purchasing can often help you save money. So once again, you'll find a special link in the description where you can grab discounts and even Fofana deals. If this video helped you out, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.